Today, we're putting the Canon EOS R10 and the incredibly versatile 18,150mm lens through its paces for a comprehensive video test. First things first, let's attach our lens. Align the white dot on the lens with the corresponding white dot on the camera body. Gently twist until you hear a click, and you're good to go. Now, let's select our video mode. Turn the mode dial to the movie icon, or to a custom video setting if you have one pre-configured. Dive into your camera's menu to fine-tune your video settings, adjust your resolution and frame rate for optimal image quality and smooth motion. With our settings dialed in, it's time to test the lens's performance in real-world scenarios. We'll start with some wider shots to assess the overall image quality. Next, we'll actively record various scenes, paying close attention to the autofocus system. Notice how smoothly it locks onto and tracks your subject, even with movement. Now, let's evaluate the image stabilization, crucial for handheld videos. Zoom in on a distant subject and observe how effectively it minimizes shakes and jitters. The 18,150mm lens offers an impressive zoom range. We'll demonstrate its versatility by transitioning from wide shots to tight close-ups, showing how it effortlessly covers diverse video content. By recording diverse scenes and evaluating autofocus, stabilization, and zoom range performance, you'll see why this versatile lens is an excellent choice for your video needs.